Today I've got something super special for you, my easy apple cobbler cake recipe. Perfect for when you want all the cozy vibes of apple cobbler, but in cake form. It's simple, delicious, and tastes like it came straight from a bakery. Let's get started. All right, let's start with the cake. In a large bowl, I'm mixing together the cake mix and a pack of instant pudding powder. That's my little trick for keeping everything extra moist. Add in some cinnamon, pumpkin spice, eggs, vegetable oil, milk, and vanilla extract. Using an electric hand mixer, I'm beating this on medium speed for about 2 minutes until everything is smooth and well combined. Now pour that batter in your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. I popped mine into a preheated oven and baked at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until it springs back when you lightly touch it. While the cake is cooling, let's move on to the filling. Grab a large skillet and toss in 4 large diced apples, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, lemon juice, and butter. Oh, and a side note, yes, I left the skins on my apples. Honestly, I forgot to peel them. Let's just pretend I'm going for a more rustic vibe. In a small bowl, mix some cornstarch and water to create a slurry. This is going to thicken everything up. Pour the slurry into the apples and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the filling is thick and perfect. Once it's done, take it off the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. Now for my favorite part, the soft crumble topping. In a medium bowl, I'm mixing together all-purpose flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Give that a good whisk to combine. Then grab some cold butter cubes and work them into the dry ingredients using your fingers until it starts to look like coarse sand. Once it's ready, spread the crumble on a baking sheet lined with nonstick foil and bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until lightly golden. Let the crumble cool completely before we pull it all together. While everything cools, let's whip up some cream cheese frosting. In a large bowl, I'm beating softened cream cheese and butter until smooth and creamy, which took about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm gradually adding in powdered sugar 1 cup at a time until it's all combined. Don't forget the vanilla extract for that extra boost of flavor. And if the frosting is a bit thick, just add a splash of milk to loosen it up. Easy peasy. Time to bring everything together. Now, I actually used a skewer to poke my cake so some of that delicious apple cobbler filling can seep right on through. Now, go ahead and spread that apple filling right on top of your spice cake. Then grab your cream cheese frosting and spread it evenly over the apples. An offset spatula works great for this, but you can use whatever you have handy. And finally, my favorite step, sprinkle that soft crumble topping all over your frosting. Be generous here, the more crumble, the better. Once that's done, pop the cake in the fridge for about 30 minutes so all the flavors can meld together. Trust me, it's worth the wait. And there you have it, my easy apple cobbler cake. It's got all the warm spices, rich apple cobbler filling, creamy frosting, and a buttery crumble topping. It's the perfect dessert to feed a crowd or just treat yourself to something extra special. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and the full recipe is always linked in the description box below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more delicious, easy to make recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.